Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a puddle reflection on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this as like the video, and I'm going to kind of move it up a little bit so I can leave some space for the puddle, and I'm just going to copy and paste the video, and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. And then I'm going to select mirror for this so it mirrors the video. And I'm also going to kind of go to mask and press split. Oh, maybe on this one instead. And put it down here and feather it out just a little bit. And I also want to, I need to do that on this one too. So I'm just going to put it up here first so I can see the split. And then I am going to, oh actually I need to do it the other way around, sorry. And then I'm going to again feather it out a little bit, and then I'm going to then move it down like here. Like so. Then I'm going to add in the effect. So go to effects here, and we are going to select distortion. You can use this ripple one here. I think I might use that one. And then you can adjust the blur and stuff, but it's only going on the second video, so it won't affect this one. Adjust the strength, and I'm just going to select these two and move it here so I can see how much it distorts the actual thing. I'm just going to adjust the strength a little bit. Maybe I want to add this one instead in nature, like these droplet ones instead of the ripple, but I'm just going to also add this one in. And I'm going to adjust this, like the twist on it. And I'm also going to adjust the blur and just adjust it. And I'm just going to select both like so, and then right click and then create compound clip. Making sure it's the same like size there. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!